glam girls, so welcome back to another video. This is going to be a little haul. Went to the mall because I was starting to get some of those like birthday coupons, and I was just in the mood to go to the mall because I wanted to get the new Nars foundation, and I had gotten a ULTA gift card from Christmas that I still hadn't used, and my birthday's coming up February 15th, so I was like, it's an excuse to go to the mall. I want to pick up the new Nars foundation. I wanted to pick up the new Stila Glitter and Glow color Douce or Douce. I don't know how to say it. But I wanted to pick those two things up. And then also Bath & Body Works was having their $12.95 candle sale. So I was like, perfect opportunity to go to the mall, get a little pre-birthday shopping going. Just, you know, little girly things. And that's really it. So let's jump into it. At Ulta, I was able to pick up all the goodies that I was specifically going for. It was only two things, and then I just picked up one more thing on the way out because it's something else that I've been wanting. I don't really need, but it's super cute and I've been wanting it. So first off, I picked up the Stila new Glitter and Glow in Douce. I don't know how to say it. Douce, probably French, right? And it's this gorgeous color. Oh my god, the packaging, first of all, I mean, are you not dying? So it's this gorgeous olivey gold, antique goldy kind of color. I put it all over my eyes today. It is so beautiful. This is what it looks like. Like I said, I put it all over my eyes today and I freaking love it. It's the most gorgeous, like I said, olive gold color. I mean, it's gorgeous, and it does have glitters in it, so I don't know why this is not considered one of the glitter ones. It's considered one of the shimmer and glow, not the glitter and glow, but to me it has a lot of glitter. It is gorgeous. This is like my favorite. And then the next thing I picked up is the chocolate gold Soleil Long Wear Gilded Bronzer by Too Faced. I love this. It's so beautiful. First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. Are you not dying? It's this gorgeous bronzy packaging, and then it has the gold around the edges with the little heart clasp chocolate gold engraved. So pretty. It smells delicious. If you use any of the Too Faced chocolate palettes or chocolate bronzer already, you know that it smells absolutely delicious. It's beautiful. This bronzer in particular is very creamy. No fallout whatsoever when you're using it. It's very creamy. It has a nice buildable color, which I really like. So for example, I just did 2 layers, and it's this really pretty warm bronzy shade. It's definitely not like a contouring bronzer. It's definitely a bronzer with a lot of gold, and it's not too much glitter. It definitely is like a nice shimmery warm bronzy shade. I particularly like orangey golden, you know, tanning bronzing colors because I like to put them more on the apples of my cheeks and use them as an all over glow because I don't use blush. It's just not my thing. That little bit of glitter just really enhances your skin and just makes you look porcelain and beautiful. So I just really like me a nice warm golden glittery bronzer, and it smells so good. Everything I'm showing you I'm wearing. I did my makeup using them so I could give you guys more of an explanation instead of just showing them to you. And then the last thing, which I've been so excited for, is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by Nars. I was gonna say Too Faced because I was just talking about Too Faced. Regular rubbery black packaging as normal, and then the classic Nars packaging with the rubberized cap and the glass bottle. The packaging is gorgeous. It's super sleek. I love this long glass packaging with the Nars across. The back, it just has the name of the product, and then underneath the color. Now, I was expecting this to be a super natural watery foundation. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it. I wasn't sure. I just wanted to try it because Nars is my favorite makeup brand, hands down. I have been buying Nars for years. It's like, love Nars. Francois Nars is a genius, okay? I love sheer glue. So with this one, I wasn't sure what to expect. I had to try it. I love Nars so much, and I am so impressed and shocked at this foundation. I mean, not shocked because like I said, I love Nars and I'm expecting these products to be amazing, but the foundation is absolutely gorgeous. It is like a whipped consistency. So this one, when you do a pump of it on your hand. It's watery. It will slide down your arm when you go like this. This one will not. This one will stay on your hand, and it has like this whipped light consistency, and it was full coverage, but it feels so light. I'm wearing it right now, and I'm telling you, Nars is the only product, the only foundation product, or the only brand where the foundations I do not have to mix with other brands. If I ever mix, it's to get the correct shade, not because the formula is off. I stopped at Charlotte Russe. I picked up this bath bomb. Sorry, I'm confused. I picked up this bath bomb from Charlotte Russe. Cotton candy bath bomb. It is really, really cute. I'm excited to try it. But I'm looking at it, and there's 666 on the bath bomb. Can you guys see that? Okay. That was really freaky, and I rebuke whatever Charlotte Russe was trying to bring into my home. Always pick up jewelry when I go to Charlotte Russe. They have my favorite costume jewelry. Up this set of hoop earrings, and then these like really pretty stringy earrings. I love hoops, rose gold hoops with the rhinestones. You guys know that's my jam. It also has these really pretty post earrings. That's what I call them. The little rhinestone rings, the pearls, and then the little gemstone kind of colorful one. So cute! I love that look. The second hole when you have a hoop earring on. Let's fix that. It looks so cool. Then I got a set of bracelets, and this set is so cute. It really reminds me of the bracelets I used to wear when I was in high school. When I was in high school, it was a very Gossip Girl, Sex in the City time. So, and I went to an all-girls Catholic school where we wore uniforms, and it was very Gossip Girl-esque, and we all thought we were in Gossip Girl. So we were all very into pearls and bows and rhinestones and rose gold and all that kind of stuff that I wore when I was 16, 17. It's all coming back, and I'm here for it. The berets, the sequins, the bows, the t-shirts. I mean, that was the rage 10 years ago, and it's coming back now. And I feel weird. Speaking of t-shirts and the past, Forever 21, I went there and got some t-shirts. So I picked this one up because it has a Bible verse on it, and I absolutely love the Bible verse. It says, be brave, or be strong, be brave, be fearless, you are never alone. Joshua 1:9. And I love that so much. I mean, like I said, I was raised Christian, and not to get religious, like, but I believe in God, I believe in the Bible, and that's just really comforting, so I had to grab it. I have a camo t-shirt because I love camo, and I have one other camo t-shirt which I just wore in a video that you guys saw, and in that video actually I linked to this exact shirt because I couldn't find the one I was wearing. But I love camo right now. And last but not least, I went to Bath & Body, of course, and picked up a ton of candles. I only picked up 5 because I still have a whole store in my closet. I have one behind me right now. It is just plain rose. I literally got 5, and it's all rose scented. Rose, it's this beautiful rose tinted glass, so beautiful. It's fresh flowers, and oh my god, like a rose flowery spa. I mean, it just smells so good. I had it on while I was taking a bath last night, and it smelled like I was in a spa. And the other one I got is the rose water and ivy. Now this one, the packaging is very, very bright, rosy. It's very rosy, but it is definitely different than this one. Like I said, this one is very calming, sweet, light. This one is stronger, more pungent, in your face, and another one of those. Yeah, so I picked up 3 of the rose water and ivy and 2 of the rose. I kind of wish I would have gotten 3 of the rose and 2 of the ivy, but either way, it smells like roses. Yeah, I just need a couple more. Just need a couple. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Everything as usual will be linked down below, and I will leave my makeup details down below, which is these products, but anything else will be down below. This shirt is Fashion Nova, and anything else you want to know about, I will leave down below for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And while you're here, might as well watch another video. I mean, you're here. Just do it. I'm watching you. I see you. Alright, bye guys. Love you.